And everyone, please be ready to welcome the stunner, the heartthrob, the very versatile, the very gorgeous Rashmi Khanna right here with us. Can we have a huge round of applause for everyone? Let's give it up for her. Thank you so much for joining us. I also request Mr. Neeraj Gupta and Mr. Nayan Gupta to join us. Thank you so much. Please be seated. Please be seated, everyone.
I love rings, so I have to have a ring as a part of whatever that I'm wearing on the red carpet. Like today also I have this ring. Even though I'm wearing these beautiful emeralds, I still feel like it's incomplete without a ring. So that's something that I really like. Yeah.
So I'm sure all the female fans around can note this quickly down. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. With this, ladies and gentlemen, I believe we are all set. For me, there are questions. If you have any questions, we would request you all to come forward.
జ్యువెలరీలో నేను కౌంట్ చేయలేదండి, బట్ ఐ థింక్ డీసెంట్ ఎనఫ్ ఉన్నాయి. అది కౌంట్ చేయలేదు నేను. ఐ థింక్ ఎవ్రీ దివాలి మై మదర్ వాంట్స్ టు బై లైక్ వన్ సెట్ ఫర్ మీ. లైక్ దట్స్ అ ట్రెడిషన్. ఒక ట్రెడిషన్ ఉంది ఎవ్రీ దివాలి. నా ఇష్టమైన కలెక్షన్ ఐ హ్యావ్ అ సెట్ ఫ్రమ్ మంగత్రాయ్ ఓన్లీ. సో దాట్ ఈస్ సంథింగ్ దట్ ఐ లవ్. అవునవును, తమిళ్లో ఉంది, తెలుగులో స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను సిద్ధుతో, మీర్జా కోనా డైరెక్షన్లో. అండ్ హిందీలో 2 రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది. ఒకటి సాబర్మతి అండ్ ఒక వేరే ఫిల్మ్ ఉంది విక్రాంత్తో చేస్తున్నాను. సో తెలుగు, తమిళ్, హిందీ ఇవన్నీ.
Do you have any more questions, gentlemen?
మీరు వాళ్ళని అడగండి, నేనెందుకు అని వాళ్ళని అడగండి.
We'd love to hear from you, ma'am. Can you sell your jewelry in the physical store?
No, actually we have lots. So we are a 100-year-old, century-old brand, and we come from a very background where we used to started by my grandfather, great grandfather. We are the 6th generation in business now. So it's a age-old business, and we.
What types of occasions do your jewelry collection caters to?
I think.
Do we have any more questions, gentlemen?
Sure. Mentions also, we're having very good business here, so we'll be expanding soon.
To be boast about. Do we have more questions about the same? The question for you here is, what is that one ornament that you definitely have in your house by Mr. Nayan Gupta, whose decade of experience brings fresh, creative perspective to the firm? Let's celebrate. Let's have some secrets spilled quick from Mr. Nayan Gupta with us. I now and such a unique and
ముందుగా మీ అందరికీ నమస్కారం. చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది ఈరోజు హైదరాబాద్లో. ఐఎమ్ హియర్ టు లాంచ్ దర్ ఎక్స్క్విజిట్ కలెక్షన్ దట్ యూ గైస్ జస్ట్ సా, విచ్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ వీనస్, ద గాడెస్ ఆఫ్ ఎమరల్డ్స్. చాలా మంచి కలెక్షన్ ఇది. యాక్చువల్లీ ఇలాంటి ఎమరల్డ్స్ నేను చూడలేదు ఇప్పటి వరకు, ఆనెస్ట్గా చెప్పాలంటే. And I think they've done a great job in terms of craftsmanship. You see the quality in the products when you see the products. It's beautiful. When you see it, you feel like you walked into elegance. It's elegant and it's a mix of modern and contemporary. So I feel like it's for all age groups. I'm going to bring my mother to your showroom very soon because I think we have it for all age groups. There's something for everybody. So I'm very, very happy to be here, to be associated with them and to bring this collection forward to you. I thank you for all the work that you put in to bring us this beautiful thing. Like adding this to our beauty in our lives. Thank you so much. All the very best to you with this collection, and I hope you guys come and, as he said, see the collection because చూడ్డానికి కూడా చాలా బాగుంది. Just see it and I think you'll just fall in love with the collection itself. So very, very happy to be here and to launch their collection, and thank you for being such gracious hosts. You've always been smiling and you've given me so much respect. Thank you for that. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Said it's a mix of contemporary and modern, so I think it's for all age groups and it's very elegant. That's something that I go for in life. My style is very elegant, I feel. So I thought this was the best place to just blend in with that brand. So yeah, I mean that's the reason why I signed up.
Thank you so much for the answer. Do we have more questions?
మీకు వచ్చిన ఇప్పటికి బెస్ట్ గిఫ్ట్ ఏందండి జ్యువెలరీ?
జ్యువెలరీలో
ఎస్.
పాప నాకు ఇచ్చారు ఒక పెండెంట్ when I was 19. That is something that's very close to my heart.
సార్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్పెషాలిటీ ఆఫ్ యువర్ జ్యువెలరీస్?
Let's have it from him, ladies and gentlemen. Let's also give a huge round of applause for director.
Hello everyone. I'm thankful that everyone is here today. And so I'm Nayan Gupta, as she introduced me. I'm the director and the person behind this collection. And I always wanted that a collection should have more meaning than this just jewelry. So our new collection, Venus, goddess of emerald. So this is, I'm inspired by, the goddess of emerald, that's Venus, because she inspires, she's passionate, she's sensual. So with that inspiration, I've got a touch of traditionality and modernity in the, collection and got it here. Every piece is unique in itself and it has a lot of attention to detail. I'm sure every piece is unique like every customer of ours and probably like Rashi also. I'm sure everyone should come and have a look and make sure they have a look because it's something worthwhile watching. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
It is a premium jewelry. So it's that's what I want to say. It's one of a kind. It's a premium jewelry. One piece, one style. So if I want also, I cannot offer anything. So it is something very special for people who want something different and special. That's what I will cater to.
I think that is what.
బ్యాక్లో మీ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ నచ్చింది మ్యామ్.
Soon we'll be expanding. We'll be having a few more stores coming up. So yeah.
Exactly. So probably we would like no more personal questions, and let's refrain from asking personal questions. Thank you so much.
Anywhere in the market, it's different.
That's beautiful. So the next question is, why should people come to this store?